homework, the Indonesian government should ban homework for elementary and secondary school students. I really agree about these motions because first, homework can increase students' stress, academic stress. Many studies show that homework can increase students' stress and reduce their mental well-being. Can you imagine? After spending 6 to 8 hours, students also need to do their homework at home, and it makes students only have less time to do it, to rest, to play, and to spend their time with their families. And I think the children will learn better when they have a healthy balance between study and personal life. So the negative effect of homework often outweighs educational benefits. Okay, thank you for sharing your opinion. I understand your point, but I have to disagree with the idea that homework should be banned at the secondary and elementary schools. Yes, I agree that too much homework can make students feel stressed and tired, but I think we should not blame this homework itself, because in my opinion, the problem here is when the teachers give students too many homework. So I still believe that homework can make students learn better. Like after learning something in class, students need more practice to remember the lesson more clearly. For example, in subject mathematics, students need to solving many problems many times for remember the lesson. It's same in English. So students need to more practice like practice grammar, vocabulary, or writing skill. So I think instead of banning the homework, school should focus on reducing the amount and giving students homework in a better way. I understand your perspective, but it is important to remember that students usually receive homework from several subjects at the same time. Even if each teacher gives only a small assignment, the total workload can become too much for students. Therefore, the negative effect of homework often outweighs educational benefits. And another reason is that homework does not always improve students' academic achievement. Learning outcomes depend more on the quality of teaching than on the amount of homework. Students understand lessons better when teachers provide effective instruction and guided practice during class. For example, students who participate in classroom discussions, group work, or problem-based learning often understand concepts better because they receive immediate feedback from their teachers. While students who complete homework alone may repeat the same mistakes without realizing it. So, improving classroom instruction is way better, is more effective than giving students homework. Okay, I understand what you mean, and I think you make an interesting point. I agree that I agree that classroom learning is very important, and I also agree that teachers should improving their quality of teaching in class. But I think good classroom learning and homework can support each other. So I want to ask you something. Could you explain why improving classroom means homework should be banned? because from my perspective, homework gives students opportunities to review the lesson from the class. Like some students do not fully understand the lesson, the material when learning for the first time. So homework gives them time to think again about the material, and they also practice about what they learn in the class before they go home. And I also think homework helps students become more active in their own learning activities or learning their own learning process. So for me, classroom learning is important, but homework still has benefit and should be not completely banned. That's an interesting opinion and a good question. But I believe that students should have enough opportunities to practice during school hours with guidance from their teachers. Many Indonesian studies have shown that active learning methods such as problem-based learning and cooperative learning improve a student's learning outcomes more effectively than assigning homework. And also, banning homework can make education fairer. Why I said this? Because many students do not have the same learning environments at their home, right? Some parents can support their children at economic and mental support, while other parents may be busy at work, and some parents also maybe do not have enough educational background. For example, one student have a quiet room to study, internet access and support from their parents, and their parents also can do it and can answer their difficult questions. And some students maybe have to do the housework to help their parents and do not have a support from their parents in learning activity. As a result, homework is not fair for every student because their home conditions are very different. I appreciate your opinion, but I think differently about this point. Because yes, I understand not every student has the same background. Like some students receive support from their parents, while the others maybe not. And I agree that equal educational opportunities are very important. However, I do not think banning homework is the best solution for this problem. In my opinion, teacher can adjust the homework so students can do it individually without depending too much on their parents. For example, teachers can give simple assignment for the students so they can do it by themselves. And I also believe homework teach important skill for the students. Like students learn responsibility because they need to finish the homework, and students learn how to manage their time because they need to finish the homework. So they know how to manage them when to study and when they need to play or spending the time with the family or anything. So these skills are important for the students because it's really good skill for the future job or when they go to university. So I believe homework should more careful and fair when give the homework. So I think that can help the students. Yeah, but after considering all our discussions today, I still believe that homework, Indonesian government should ban homework for elementary and secondary school students because it reduces academic stress, encourages schools to improve classroom learning, and creates fair educational opportunities for all students. Thank you for sharing your perspective.